Hi guys, just want to show you another 4 to 8 inches today, and it's really coming down. See that? It's supposed to snow all day. It started this morning and it's supposed to snow until midnight, and then another wave of snow is coming on Sunday. But it's somebody's birthday yesterday and she wants to go have lunch today. What Mama wants, Mama gets. So we're going to eat. See you guys later. There's the Berkey Bridge. Hey, there's a groomer on it too.
What's that? That's this weekend, right?
God, it's coming down. Holy cow. We're here. Perkins. She's getting out right now. I cannot believe we're out in this crap for lunch. She's a trooper. Hi, Mom. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
We came out in this terrible storm so that she could have lunch today because she's a trooper. Hey, who's paying for the lunch today?
You are. Mexico.
We don't have any money.
I'm paying. I don't have any money, so I'll borrow it from her.
Okay, so
See you guys.